Oh,
That.
look at that. That one's big. I stopped already, I think. Got that. Got it. That's crazy. Oh, it zoomed in too far. Whoa! They're doing it at the road.
Don't get close to the straps.
Whoa!
Nice.
That's cool. Nah, there's a lot of smoke. Look at that one right there. Ah, there's a passing car. Oh, look at one. Looks like over here. Looks over here. Oh, it wasn't done yet. Oh, look over here. Over here, they're doing the same one. Whoa, it looks like a fire. Look on the camera. Oh! Whoa. Whoa. Nah, that's crazy. Over here, you could. Whoa! Oh, look over there. Oh, over there. Nah, mostly look over here. Let's keep going. Whoa. Ah, there. Oh, that's way too close to one of the cars.
Wait, what was that?
Oh, that was
That scared me.
for real. That's crazy. Over here. Over here. Oh my god. Oh my. Wow. Wow. Who is that? Cow or something? Nah, I need to stand back because I gotta get both of this. Nah.
What's that noise?
I don't know. A car? Oh my god.
What's that noise?
I don't know. Did a car get on fire? Oh no, it's just one of the cars, I think. Yeah. Whoa. Nah. Oh, big one right there. Crazy. Whoa! That was creepy. Whoa!
Oi!
Oh my god, I got that on cam.
Now stop it and then instead of record it. 'Cause you're gonna have to edit it like that.
Oh,
Because it's a long video.
That's fine, I'll edit it later. Look it over there. Look it over there. Nah, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. They're doing it way too close to the road. Yo, why don't they invite us over there? Oh, I stopped. They got some crazy fireworks over there.
Look over there. Look over there. Over there.
Ooh, you can't see it because of the tree.
Oh yeah.
Over there. What is that noise?
Mm-hmm.
Someone tell their cow to be quiet.
It's hot. It's Let's allá. Ya les conté.
I'm getting it. That looks like a fire. How is that person not scared yet? What? Nah, bro is fearless. Bro is literally fearless. Whoa. Oh!
Oh no.
Nah. Oh, you get that one. You get nah, never mind. Over there. They're doing it too. Oh. That flashed the whole city. It's one of these ones. They're doing it way too close to that car, I think. They're doing another one. Over here. Yo, don't mind us recording over here. We're trying to get some. We're trying to get some views on this video. Whoa, look, I'm gonna record over here because they're doing some good ones. Whoa. Oh, there. Ah, they're doing another one over here too. They're doing it way too close to that tree. Way too close. Way too close to that tree. Yo, back it up. Back it up. Over here. Whoa. Nah, back up. Back up, oh my. Nah, it's flashing the whole entire thing. That's crazy. Nah, tripping.
You should stop talking like that.
No.
Stop.
Whoa! What? That flashed the city! Man, how do I get invited over there? Look at that. Look, it looks like Whoa! They got some illegal fireworks.
Yeah, those are illegal.
Oh! What? They got the music over there. Invite me to that party right now, bro.
No.
See in this video, invite me right now, okay?